Are you in the middle of not knowing what to eat for breakfast? Watch my video and you're going to learn how you can make some easy peasy salmon fish with some potato for your breakfast. So I went ahead, seasoned up my salmon fish from both the front and the back. I put some of them into my air fryer, and then I also do like a little shallow fry with the remaining one. Either one is fine, you just have to go for your choice. I went ahead and seasoned up my pepper mix, which is the combination of bell pepper, tomato, onion, a little bit chili, or you can use habanero. Fry them to your perfection. Add your salmon fish. You can see they are looking delicious and yummy already. So after that, I went ahead with my potato. This potato, I baked them in my microwave for about 3 minutes for each. You can see they put like potato in the microwave, or you can also boil it. You can see, voila, this is what we got. Easy peasy, delicious.